If you do want it with a cuff, we'll turn our work and we'll be working in the opposite direction. So for round 14 we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we'll do a front post double crochet into this stitch here. And that's what gives it the ridged look. And now our sequence for this round will be a back post double crochet into the next stitch and a front post double crochet around the next stitch, and we'll just keep repeating that right around. So we'll do a back post double crochet, and I'm just going slow for you so that you can see what I'm doing. It's a back post double crochet, and into the next stitch front post double crochet, into the next stitch back post double crochet, into the next stitch front post double crochet, so continue that sequence right around, and the last one should be a front post double crochet. I'm up to the end of round 14 and I've just done my last front post double crochet there, and now we'll join into the top of the chain 3 with a slip stitch, so just into that back loop. And you can see the cuff forming now. So for rounds 15 to 16 you'll repeat round 14. So I'll see you at the end of round 16. Here's just a quick tip as you're working your front post double crochets and back post double crochets. You'll know when you need to do a front double crochet because the stitch that you need to stitch into will pop out at you, and when you need to do a back post double crochet, the stitch is sitting back. I'm at the end of round 16. I've just joined into my top of the chain 3 there, and now we can trim the yarn. Just leave enough of a tail to weave in with your yarn needle, and finish off. Now you'll need your yarn needle. I'll just give you a quick look at the beanie now. So that's what it's looking like completed. And just turn your beanie inside out and grab this tail here, the center tail, and weave the yarn through your yarn needle. And just give that a slight pull to tighten the center, and weave the yarn through. and pull it tight. You can keep going around the circle as much as you like. And then to secure it even more, just skip a loop here and then take it back in the opposite direction. And then you can trim that off. And with our other yarn tail here, leave that through your needle. And there's always one that doesn't want to go in. There we go. And you can just, where you've got your knot there, just go down the middle of the next stitch here, and you can weave your tail down through the stitches. And basically can just keep on going down. I like to really secure mine. I don't like to just do a half job. I like to get the yarn tails really well weaved in. And you can skip a loop and then weave it back through one of the rounds, sorry, and then just trim that off. Then just turn your beanie in the back the right way and turn the cuff up